Tomorrow's project, that right there. Today, I put Billy down here on this little garage. He's gonna finish it up here in just shortly. And we're gonna call it a day. If this were a manufactured home, I would be probably say no, but this is a 512, maybe a 412, but I'm thinking it's about a 512 pitch. Nail the shingles on. So we came here, ripped off the old black felt paper, and then we put this blue synthetic felt on, and now we're installing these architectural shingles. And what I want to say is I like installing shingles in the summertime for only one reason, because these shingles are stuck already. All right, these shingles are already stuck. They're not going to come up, so if you have wind, you're already going to be wind rated with a shingle like this. And if you install in the summertime, if you install shingles in the dead winter and you're in a high wind area, you could be susceptible to blow-offs. And I'll say that because the tar on the shingles won't stick until it's at least 65, 70 degrees would be my minimum number. It's been 80, 88 here all day today, and the sun's shining like crazy. So this is stuck like Chuck. But this is an architectural antique slate, I believe, or something like that. Some type of a antique slate type. And we're just doing the garage. It was about 6 2/3 of a square total. He's got that left, and he'll be done. He'll be done. You got enough shingles? You don't have enough shingles up here. You need a couple more. But yeah, this is tomorrow's project is going to be over there, and I'll videotape that entire job. So if you're looking forward to seeing a roof job being done start to finish, I'm going to be there tomorrow. Looks like we got a couple humps and bumps right below that vent. See that right there? Something's going on. Yep, right in that area right there. So we'll address that tomorrow. Guys, I want to thank you for all the comments and the thumbs up that I get on my channel. I appreciate it. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Yeah, if you want to go check out a little bit more of a fun channel, I'm a scrapper, and I do scrap metal recycling on the side. And my YouTube channel is Scrapping with Grandpa. That's pretty catchy, I thought, so that's what I went with. But today and tomorrow and the next day, we're roofers. Videotape most of this garage. Tomorrow we will be videotaping the house, but I'll share a few pictures with you of what we did on this job. I want to thank all my subscribers. I have almost 51,000 subscribers. Grandpa, I'm telling you, I'm blessed. I'm 62 years old. I've been doing roofing and home repair most of my life. I do a lot of mobile home stuff. So if you're interested in mobile home repairs, that's what you're going to find a lot on my channel. Please, before you leave, hit that thumbs up button. Helps the algorithm for YouTube. Will share it out to somebody else that maybe like it. Till next time, guys. I'll see you on the next one.